Hello my dear students. Let us discuss NSEJS Olympiad questions here from chemistry subject. Okay, so from 2024 paper I have collected few questions, so which we are going to discuss now. I hope you have already watched the session 1 video that I have made and uploaded. So now we will be discussing few more questions from that paper. Okay, so now look at here. The first question here we have is this one. See, the pH of neutral pure water at 25 degrees Celsius is 7. When the water is heated to 70 degrees, the pH value will be, what happens to pH value? See, pH is what? Minus log concentration of H plus. Like this we are taking now. Yes. So remember, pH is a temperature dependent. Okay, if temperature changes, pH values also changes. It means, for example, I have water molecule. When it is dissociating, water is a weak electrolyte, it dissociates like H plus and OH minus. But when it is dissociating, you are going to get same number of H plus and equal number of H plus and OH minus ions now. Therefore, overall solution will be neutral as H plus and OH minus ions are equal. Okay, but you know, this dissociation is favored by increase in temperature because this dissociation is a endothermic process. Since it is endothermic process, if temperature increases, what happens? Equilibrium moves forward. Therefore, number of H plus ions, OH minus ion concentration also increases. But concentration increases, but that will be equal. H plus ion, OH minus ion concentration always be equal, because upon dissociation of one molecule of water, we are going to get same number, one H plus ion, one OH minus. Therefore, overall solution will be remains neutral. Hope it is clear. And I am saying it is endothermic process. So increase in temperature favors forward. So its pH value decreases. Why it decreases? See here, at 25 degrees Celsius, so the neutral point, the pH is found to be 7. Why it is found to be 7? Because the concentration of H plus ion and concentration of OH minus ion is found to be 10 power minus 7 at this 25 degrees Celsius. Okay, so now that's why if you put pH equals to minus log concentration of H plus here, minus log 10 power minus 7, what you are going to get? You are going to get pH as 7 right now. So now if I take this same consideration at 70 degrees as mentioned, so now what happens? Temperature is raised, so concentration of H plus ion, OH minus ions also increases, so that will be definitely greater than this 10 power minus 7. Yeah, so that will falls around 10 power minus 7 to 10 power minus 6 range. Concentration of H plus ion, OH minus at 70 degrees falls into this range. Okay, so it is greater than 10 power minus 7 and less than 10 power minus 6. Why? Because at 90 degrees Celsius, it is found that concentration of H plus ion and concentration of OH minus ion is found to be equal to 10 power minus 6. So at this point, pH equals to 6. Right now, the neutral point on pH scale is 6. So it means at 70 degrees range, it will be lesser than 7. Something like 6.9 or 6.8 or 6.5, something like this based on the observation. But definitely neutral point will be less than this 7. Right now on pH scale less than this 7. Therefore, what I can say, the solution will remains neutral. See, solutions remains neutral, but the neutral point will be decreases. So the pH value, the neutral point and pH value decreases, but nature of the solution remains neutral. So option number 4 will be your perfect answer for this particular question. Hope it is clear. If it is clear, just click on the like button. Okay. Now let us move forward with one more question here. See, we have one more question related to temperature again. Okay. So they are asking the relation between Fahrenheit scale and temperature scale, Celsius scale. So what is the basic relation we have? See, on Fahrenheit scale, if you say 32 degrees, 32 Fahrenheit, so that will be equivalent to 0 degrees on the Celsius scale. If you say 212 degrees on Fahrenheit scale, it will be 100 degrees on Celsius scale. So I am just making a simple formula like this, F minus 32 here, 212 minus 32. See here, on Celsius scale, the 0 degrees is equivalent to 32 Fahrenheit on Fahrenheit scale. Okay, and similarly when I say 100 degrees on Celsius scale, that is equals to 212 degrees on Fahrenheit scale. So 0 means 32, like this. So from this I want Celsius. Read this statement. During a routine checkup of a patient, a doctor measure the temperature of patient as 212.6. Okay, so from this, what is the temperature of that patient on the Celsius scale? So just use this formula. So C by 100 equals to F minus 32 by 180. Okay, so from this 0 0, 2 9s are 2 5s are. Okay, so from this temperature on Celsius scale equals to 5 by 9 F minus 32. So just put this F value here. So F is how much? Fahrenheit scale it is given as 102.6 degrees now. So substitute value over here and try to simplify this. You are going to get one of these options. So try to tell me that option in the comment box. I will be looking into it. Okay. So thank you for watching, and I will be giving one more question as a homework. So just try this question along with the previous one. Okay. So just try to answer this in the chat box as a question number 3. All these questions I have collected from 2024 paper. NSEJS 2024. So just try this question also. If you are unable to do this, we will be discussing in the upcoming session. Okay. So thank you for watching. Stay connected with this NEET World channel. Thank you.